here today gluing in a Cat B. It's older skid steer. It's originally 3 flat pieces. We made it into 1. You've got a etch side and a smooth side. You're gonna peel back the masking on the etch side, and this is where the glue will stay. On the frame, I removed all the old glue. I sanded it down so I can see bare metal all the way around. That way I have a good surface to glue to. I've got my Shields caulk, black adhesive. I've used it previously, but I left a little bit hanging out. Now I can pull that out and I am good to go. I'm just gonna run a 1/4 inch bead all the way around. I peeled back the masking so I can glue without getting the masking stuck on the window. Line this up. Pop it right down in there. You can see I'm up here and I'm up here on the bottom. And that's so I can clamp it down and we can be real nice and watertight everywhere. Am I still clamped in over there?
Yeah.
Alright, I have the window clamped down. I'm going to leave it like this for 12-ish hours. It'll be a full 24 before the glue's all the way set. I'm going to leave all the excess glue on the inside right now. And I'm going to come back after it dries and cut that off with the razor blade.
Just want to make sure the adhesive is touching all around the whole perimeter. Keep it air and watertight like it's supposed to be.